What's up guys, Mr. DS18 here, back with another product review. Check out what I have here in my hand. This is the RKS-BT, a rocker switch, Bluetooth capabilities for any setup. Side-by-side, boat, Jeep, truck, Bronco, pretty much anywhere. It has the shape and form of a rocker switch, but it's a Bluetooth streaming device. That's right. It can also be powered up. It'll be enough for an amplifier. It has cool features. Let me power this baby up so you guys can check it out. Let me grab here my batteries. Let's put our ground. And where is it? Here it is. And power. Ground and power. There you go. Check it out. Nice blue color. Once it starts blinking. When it starts blinking, that means it's trying to connect to a device. It's connected to my phone, so it stopped blinking, and you can see right there. To turn it off, you press the power button down, 3 seconds, and boom, it shuts off completely. Pretty cool, right? So, features on this bad boy. This is 2.5 volt output on this RCA you see right here. It also has a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port. We include that cable with the package just in case you guys don't have one. It is IPX6 rated waterproof. BT 5.0 is a long range of Bluetooth streaming. So it's pretty easy, pretty cool guys. Make sure you check it out. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.